Coming to a playing, so I've had a few beers. Right, today we have got tandoori chicken whole. So I've got a whole chicken. I've skinned it. It's from Aldi. I think it's about £4.50. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to soak it in water with lemon just to tenderise it. So I've skinned it. It's up to you if you want to skin it, but yeah, I'm going to soak it in lemon and water for about 30 minutes, and lime. I'm going to throw some lime in as well, because I don't care. I'll cook from the cup. So I'm going to leave that for about 30 minutes. I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to go through the spices. I'm going to cook some. We're going to cook a whole tandoori chicken from scratch. Easy. See you in about 30 minutes. Bye. Right, so that's been soaking about 30 minutes now. So that's in water, lemon and lime. That's going to tenderise the meat. So I'm just going to rinse this and I'll be back. Okay. Right, I'm going to use my new knife. So I'm going to cut the chicken. Obviously to get the seasoning in there. Right, so I'm back. Right, so basically I've got the chicken. I've skinned it. Take the skin off it. I think I got it from Aldi. I've washed it in lemon, lime and water. That's going to tenderise the meat. So, and I've obviously made slits in it. So obviously to get the marinade right into the mix. So let's get going. So, right. What we've got is, we've got a garlic and ginger paste, sea salt, black pepper, tandoori masala, coriander leaf, paprika and allspice, and a bit of chili, it's a bit of chili, and paprika. So I'm going to mix this with half a cup of natural yogurt. Just bear with me, just get my bowl. Right. Right, so in goes everything that I've just stated. Spices, everything, the whole lot. Add a little bit at a time, obviously, because you can always add more. You can never take it out. Obviously I've made cuts in the chicken as well, so you can see, so it's going to get right in the breast. A little bit more. So they're looking good, Massage it right in there, get it all in. By the way, Coventry won 5-0 today. There you go, that's looking nice. Right, I've preheated the oven to 200 degrees. I put it on for 40 minutes to start with. Right, here's a little tip for you. Bit of corn flour over the top. This will make any meat crispy. Even though I took the skin off. Give it a charcoal effect. So there's all the condiments I've used, so just in case you missed it, obviously because Coventry won today, so I've had a few beers. But garlic and ginger paste, sea salt, black pepper, garam masala, coriander leaf, allspice, chili, crushed chili, paprika, garam masala, and now I'm going to add what they all add in Indian restaurants, a bit of food dye. So this is what gets it red. So when you get a meal in the restaurant and it's all red, this is what it is. There you go. All in the crevices. We cook straight from the core here, no editing, straight to it. Right, I'm going to cook the first half an hour, I'm going to cut upside down. I'm going to keep the rest of that there. If I need to baste it after, I will do. Right, straight in the oven. Right, the chicken's nearly done. So now I'm going to use the rest of the yogurt, natural yogurt. I'm going to make a little coriander and yogurt salad. So we've got over here, we've got tomatoes, avocado, lemon, lime, and a few peppers. Best meal you ever had. All from the Secret Chef. Right, that's the rest of the yogurt, should I say. yogurt. Coriander and natural yogurt. Tandoori chicken with a salad, coriander and natural yogurt. You ain't getting better than that. That's from the secret chef. Enjoy.